Hey guys, this is Jay from the India Studio, and in this video we'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of one of the best, good looking and budget friendly motocross helmet, and this is SteelBird SB42. And this is a blue and matte black variant, and this is a sticker for checking whether this is a genuine product or not. You can just scan the QR code using the app, and this is how it looks. And initially I was impressed by that the design and the graphics of this helmet, and you can buy this from Flipkart or Amazon, and I'll be adding the link in the description below. And there is what is a ventilation on the front side, as you can see, which can be opened or closed by ourselves, as you can see. And this is one of the good option that you can see in a budget friendly helmet, and also the design looks very attractive in my opinion. And there is a quick release visor mechanism kit, as you can see. We can just adjust the visor inside by using this thing. So this is a very interesting thing, and considering the price, and this one is a good option here, and it's a ISA graded helmet, and the build quality also looks good, and the SteelBird branding, and also as you can see the cushioning is also very good, and there is a scratch resistant visor, and it's a high impact ABS material has been used for making this helmet, and what is a micrometric buckle meeting European standard. So a kind of very attractive device, what is a helmet is this, and it's a multi-layer EPS, that is a thermocol high quality what is a material is being used for high density and low density for more safety, with air channels. And also you can see the buckles are also good quality, and so almost tight without making not much annoying, but looks good and feels good, very much comfortable for a rider. And there is an innovative ventilating system, is also equipped with the air intake in the chin guard and air intake in the front and top, and two rear extractors recycling the air inside that helmet. And also there is a extra visor option there, as you can see, for better air stability while riding. In my opinion, one of the best good looking and best good quality helmet, off-road helmet, that you can buy from Amazon or Flipkart, or from what do you say, local retail stores also. And this is the blue variant, as I have already said, and there is other color options also: red, green, orange, white, and more options are also there. And you will be getting extra some things with this helmet, but I didn't get that. And also the plastic quality also looks good. The screws are made from plastic, the plastic quality looks good, and initially I was impressed by this helmet. And also for using this is what is a large in size, that is L, that is about 60 centimeter. So guys, that was a very quick unboxing and review of the one of the best good looking off-road motocross helmet. And thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and stay subscribed. See you later.